Zone 18, baby. I am DS Star.
And I'm Symphony.
And we are Savvy.
Black Chucks, Black Scully, Black Face, and Black Hood. Posted everywhere on the corner in your neighborhood. Yeah, from being chained up to liberation, Black Wall Street to occupy.
Monumental track on the Black Caucus EP, It Had to Be Story of My Life. And it really shows the struggle from being from poverty, trying to succeed and make a better life for yourself.
Mom and dad don't know me, my bro and sis left me lonely. Crazy thing, I grew up idolizing Cleo and Stony. Taking what I needed, getting blunted up away from home. Stealing my mom's liquor, taking it straight to the dome. Drove riding late night, adolescent, mine just wasn't right. Combative by nature, always down for a fist fight.
Goal for Savvy essentially is to create this campaign in Baltimore. The campaign name is going to be More Supportive, and is essentially to change the face of hip-hop in Baltimore. If we happen to be that, then so be it, because we want to take away the drugs, the slanging, the banging, the video vixens, you know, and just create a more positive realm to reality.
Be more essence, that be more sound, that be more essence, that be more sound, that be more essence, that be more sound. I will rap it to my grave, this is where I was born and raised at. Be more essence, that be more sound, that